Hello mga hilason! Tara na, mobisita na sabta sa Kapilin ni Fatima nga replika nga naa sa San Remigio, Cebu. This is Nomsi TV on YouTube and TikTok, giving you choices to celebrate life. A replica of the chapel where the Blessed Virgin Mary appeared to the three shepherd children at Cova de Iria in Fatima, Portugal in 1917 has been opened to the public in Cebu. Known as the Capilina de Fatima, this is the fourth replica in the world and first in Asia. It is located in Barangay Lambusan, San Remigio, about 91 kilometers northwest of Cebu City. The chapel was built to promote devotion to Our Lady of Fatima and to spread the authentic message of Fatima. Similar replicas have been constructed in the United States, Brazil, and Puerto Rico. The opening of the Marian Chapel in San Remigio was also part of the celebration of the 500th anniversary of Christianity in the Philippines. The replica in Cebu mirrors the structural features of the original chapel in Portugal, including the Stations of the Cross, the image of Portugal's Angels of Peace, a rosary garden, and a gazebo. Father Francisco Pereira, chaplain of the Shrine of Fatima, graced the event and brought with him replica images and relics of Saint Jacinta and Francisco Marto, enhancing the significance of the occasion. Hello! So we are here now at Capilina de Fatima in San Remigio, Cebu. So nana siya mga bagong nahuman ng mga parts, mga hilason. So, nanay mga bagong developments diri sa Capilina de Fatima sa San Remigio. So, hinaut-paunta na pa yung mga donations nga maabot aron mahuman na gyud ang Capilina de Fatima. Thank you for watching Nomsi TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.